Salesforge and GetSales are two tools people look at for LinkedIn outreach automation. But which one gives you more value? I'm Sam, and I've reviewed hundreds of sales tools. In this video, we'll put Salesforge and GetSales head to head, breaking down features, integrations, and pricing so you know exactly which one is better for you. The first thing to look at is how many sender profiles you can connect. GetSales only lets you run one sender. If you want to scale, you have to pay more. Salesforge, on the other hand, gives you unlimited senders. You can connect your account, your team's accounts, even your grandma's account if she has one, and use all of them to send outreach at scale. But before you send a single message, you need to set up campaigns. Both Salesforge and GetSales rely on manual campaign setup. That means connection requests, messages, and if-else steps have to be set up manually. But here's the difference. Once campaigns do go live, you'll need to manage conversations. Both platforms give you a centralized inbox, one place to handle replies without having to log into each and every account separately. But here's the difference. Salesforge also includes AI reply draft feature that uses your company information to suggest responses. This helps you reply to prospects faster and increase booked sales rate. GetSales, on the other hand, doesn't have this feature. Now let's talk about multi-channel outreach. GetSales does support LinkedIn and email, but only with limited accounts. Salesforge gives you full LinkedIn and email outreach in the same plan with unlimited accounts. That includes 10,000 active contacts, 50,000 cold emails, 1,000 personalization and validation credits, plus premium mailbox warm-up. So if you want to scale multi-channel campaigns without restrictions, Salesforce is the best choice. Now, GetSales doesn't come with a lead database. The closest it offers is a Chrome extension to save leads from LinkedIn. But Salesforce has LeadsForge, a full database where you can find lookalike leads, competitors' followers, and your ideal clients using AI search. Now let's do a quick rundown of other features. Salesforce integrates with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and more. GetSales doesn't list any native integrations, but does provide API and webhooks. Salesforce also includes free email warm-up, unlimited mailboxes, and AI hyper-personalization in the same plan. Both platforms support white labeling. Now let's talk pricing. GetSales starts at $79 per month, but you're limited to one sender. Salesforce is $96 per month flat. For that, you get unlimited senders, unlimited mailboxes, and multi-channel outreach. So if you're planning to scale, Salesforce ends up being more cost-effective. Of course, none of this matters if you don't know how to set up multi-channel campaigns the right way. That's exactly what I covered in this video. So watch it next.